What is up, everybody? I hope you are having a fantastic day, night, weekend, whenever you're watching this video, wherever you're watching this video. But today is Labor Day weekend, and I am en route to the Shelby American Annual Car Show in Boulder, Colorado. I have never been there. I have heard amazing things, and this car show should be pretty special. I am bringing you guys along, so stay tuned and let's get it. What's going on, man?
What's up, brother? How are you?
Doing well. How are you?
Doing well, thanks.
Need a ticket?
No, sir.
Okay.
This is for you. Go ahead. You're going to be going down the middle through the circle, and there's going to be a little right. There's a lot in the back for the late models. Right?
Okay. Thank you.
Give me a rev, bro. Give me a rev. Woo!
Thanks, man. All right, we made it to Boulder, Colorado, where they have the Shelby America Annual Festival, and I cannot believe the cars that are here. I am so excited. We have Ken Miles' son here. We have the president of Shelby America. There's a bunch of guys here, and I can't believe it. So let's start getting some footage of the cars. So this is a couple hours before the event actually opens. Check out the cars that are already here. There's a 5.0 with some signatures, 350, Leadfoot Gray R, 500s, so the eyes can see. Look at this, the beast. Wow, that is so cool. Some of the big hitters. Check this collection out. I am now leaving the Shelby American 27th anniversary car show, and that had to be one of the coolest events that I've ever experienced in my entire life. I got to see Ken Miles winning Le Mans GT40. And as I stood there looking at it, an older gentleman comes up and stands next to me. And I look over and I asked, "Are you Peter Miles?" And he said, "Yes, sir." I met Ken Miles' son looking at his car, and we sat down and talked, I don't know, 30-45 minutes. It was incredible. It was absolutely incredible. I met Pete Brock, who designed the Shelby Daytona Coupe that everybody said was not going to work, the design was flawed, and he made it and they won. It was such an amazing car show, such amazing cars. I saw a Dino Ferrari that's been in the family for 50 years, and it was bought in Rome, Italy. I mean, it was incredible. Absolutely incredible. I couldn't recommend this enough. They do it every single year. I will definitely be coming every single year moving forward. It was incredible. But I hope all the content, all the videos, everything that I took came out okay. Until the next one, peace.